Hello, in this video, I'm going to show you how to download your Gamma AI presentation. So you go on your presentation panel, and let's say you have found a slide that you want to download. So what you do is you hover on top of it and go on the top left 3 dots, click on it, and here click on export slide. And here you get to choose which format you want, PDF, PPTX, or PNG. Once you click it, you download it successfully. And let's say you want to download the whole presentation, or you want to download specific slides. What you do, go on the top right, go on the 3 dots, click on it, then go on export. Here you can have to select all slides if you want, and then choose the format you want to export it as. Or you can go here and say custom range, and then you can label which way you want it. You can say from 3 to 5, and it will download your slides from 3 to 5. And you choose a format to download or export it to. And after you do that, you're done.